This is part 1 of 3 videos on how to tell time. We'll start by exploring what time is. It is very important to know how to tell time. If you can tell time, you know when to get up, what time school starts, when you have to get ready for bed. We tell other people what the time is by saying it is 4:45 or it is 12 o'clock or it's 4:30. But what does that really mean? Well, just like your house number might tell someone where you are in your street, or your locker number tells you where to put your school bags, so the time tells you where you are in the day, how late or early it is. And because we want to know where we are in a day, we have to know what a day really is. Every day is made up of 24 hours. We start early in the morning when it is still dark. As the sun rises in the sky, it gets lighter, and we count the hours until we get to 12. This set of 12 hours is called AM. After that, we start again as the sun gets lower in the sky, counting to 12 as it gets darker. This set of 12 hours is called PM. To tell time, we use a clock. But instead of trying to fit all 24 hours into the clock, which would make it very difficult to read, we just use 12 hours for AM and 12 hours for PM. This is a clock. It shows all the hours from 1 to 12 as numbers in a circle from left to right. But hang on, how long is an hour? Well, an hour is made up of 60 minutes, and a minute is about as long as it takes to brush your teeth or tie your shoelaces. We have 2 hands on a clock, an hour hand and a minute hand. The hour hand shows you what hour we are in, and the minute hand points to the minute it is. We'll learn more about the hour hand and the minute hand and how they work in the next video.